I am a Michelin-star Turkish chef, and today I am going to show you 3 of the legendary Turkish breakfast egg recipes: menemen, çakallı menemeni, and çılbır. Let's go! Start off with the menemen. We're gonna chop up some onions and cook them in a hot pan with some butter and olive oil. While the onions are getting a good caramelization, we're gonna pop off some head of the green peppers, thinly slice them and add them on as well. And then we're gonna peel some tomatoes. Since it's winter, the skin of the tomatoes are really hard, but if it was the summertime, I would leave them on. We're gonna roughly chop them and throw it into our pan as well. I added just a little bit of tomato paste I made last year because I didn't like the quality of the tomatoes so much. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna crack my eggs, put some herbs on top, thyme, red chili flakes, black pepper, whatever you like, maybe just a touch of butter. Chop up some parsley and voila! And here's our legendary menemen. You can scramble it before you eat it. You can scramble it after you crack the eggs, but I usually eat it like eggs whole on the top. Goes either way. Perfect. And let's go to our next one. It is called çakallı menemeni. This is a different version of the menemen. That's why most of the ingredients are the same. Still, green pepper, hot pan, a lot of butter, throw it in there, caramelize, skinless tomatoes, roughly chop, dice them. We're gonna make it some kind of tomato puree on this one. Çakallı menemeni is from Samsun region. They only use egg yolk and they put some kaşar cheese as well. The mixture of these 3 ingredients are really incredible. Now we're gonna add our tomatoes, chili flakes, tomato puree that I made last year, and then we're gonna start smashing it. We need almost like a sauce texture. Then we're gonna add our egg yolks, kaşar cheese, and start stirring. If you want a silky smooth menemen, you can stop cooking process after like 10 seconds. If you cook it all the way through, it's gonna become a bit grimy. If you don't like that, I'd like to put a lot more cheese on my çakallı menemen than the traditional recipes require, but that's just a preference. And then we're gonna plate this up. Beautiful. Look at that. And then we're gonna drop some parsley on it and dip our bread in it. You don't eat çakallı menemen with spoon or fork. You just dig in. Next up is our infamous çılbır. Get a mixing bowl, yogurt, salt, garlic, mix it until silky smooth. Get a saucepan with smearing water, drop some vinegar in there, drop your eggs. You can always make a swirl to get that nice looking textured poached eggs. Get the excessive water with some paper towel, put it on your plate, put your yogurt on the top. If you wanna use some flaky salt, now is just the time. In another saucepan, we're gonna heat up some butter, and then we're gonna add sweet or hot paprika as you wish and pour it down on top of our çılbır. Incredible. And don't be shy. Only thing left to do is just dig in there, that masterpiece. Wow. The balance of the yogurt, fat, eggs, incredible breakfast eggs. Just wow. Enjoy.